Welcome to the Digital Marketing Warrior channel, the place to come to be inspired in creating your wealth. In today's video, another video of an Aweber tutorial 2021, I'm going to be going over in particular how to hyperlink in your emails in case you're not tech savvy and don't know how to do just that. If you happen to be watching this from YouTube or Rumble, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and Rumble so that you don't miss out when I roll out some new content. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go ahead and start sharing my screen here, and I'll show you how to hyperlink in your emails using Aweber. So let me go ahead. Let me start sharing my screen right over here. Let's close that out. And let's head over to Aweber. So make sure that you get Aweber. It's an email autoresponder I highly recommend. Make sure that you log into your account, and where it says messages, you want to go under drafts and select the email that you want to put a hyperlink in the email. So this is an email that I'm sending out tomorrow, so we're going to use this email as an example. So click on that email, and then what you want to do is you want to obviously write out the email that you want to send out for your list the following day first, and select the text that you desire to hyperlink. So in this instance, I decided to hyperlink this bolded text right over here. And then what you do from here is you want to go ahead and you want to go to your back office of whatever business that you're promoting. You want to grab the link, the affiliate link here, copy it, and then we go back to Aweber, and then let's zoom in right over here. So you see this little kind of paper clip right over here. And then it says link in that little yellow box below. You want to click on that, and then it'll take you to this. So leave the display text and the link type as is, and then you want to just paste in the URL that you copied earlier. Now, if your offer, if whatever business opportunity that you're promoting has a tracking automation set up in their back office, then all you do is just grab the affiliate link and just don't forget to put your particular tracking stats with your affiliate link. So I'm going to go ahead and do that since this offer that I'm promoting actually has just that. Alternatively, also, you could also create a tracking link and hyperlink that in your email as well. I actually did a separate tutorial on how to create a tracking link for any company offer that you're promoting in your business using Click Magic. So that's actually a separate video that you can go check out on my YouTube channel under the Digital Marketing Warrior. And once you go ahead and you paste it in the URL in the link, you want to click OK. And you also want to make sure that your link works before you actually send this out to your list. So what you can do is you can go see where it says preview and test on this green button right over here. Click that. And then you want to scroll down to where you hyperlinked the selected text that you did. So click on that. And as you can see, the capture page works just great. Now, something that you can also do, and you can test this out with your email list. I cannot guarantee that the results will be the same, but what I found from actually hyperlinking my text is particularly my list likes it when I actually bold my text and hyperlink that way. Yours might actually be different. Yours might actually be, well, probably your list might actually like it unbolded, some not bolded. Marketing is all about testing and tweaking and finding out what works and letting the data tell you what is working. And so keep that in mind when you're hyperlinking your text in your emails. Just play around with it, see if it makes any difference with your opens and clicks, and you'll find that you'll just get that much better with email marketing. So I trust that this tutorial has been very helpful for you. And if you're looking for more online marketing resources, there are links down below in the video description if you're watching from YouTube or Rumble. And be sure to check those out and opt in with your best email and watch those video presentations all the way through to lock in your spot and get positioned so that you can get in on what you can do to create leverage in your online business right now. With that said, this is Mark Castillo, aka the Digital Marketing Warrior. Thank you so much for joining me on this Aweber tutorial video. Have an amazing day wherever you may be, whatever time that you may be watching this from. I'll see you on the next video very soon. Take care.